Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to mount 3 of my Phalaenopsis Soft Cloud keikis. As you can see, this one's got quite a few roots. This one's got some nice long roots. And this one here also has some nice long roots. And the cool thing is I'm doing it now because they all have some new root growth as well. So if these older ones do kind of die off, that's fine. I've already unpotted them, cleaned them up, and got them ready. I've already got the sphagnum moss moistened, and I started part 1 of where I think I want one of the Phalaenopsis. So the idea is I want to put, if you look at this cork, it's got like a nice little ridge in there. I can set one in here on this little, kind of in here, so it can establish itself in. And then there's a little, just almost like a little seat right here that I was going to put one on. So you'll have like 2 at the top and then the 1 at the bottom. So let's see how we're going to do this. This one's got a wanky leaf on it, so maybe this one can sit down here like that. And then we'll have this one that can kind of go in there because it also has kind of help balance it out. And then this one, oh, this one sits right in there. Cool. Can go there. So this would kind of be kind of what we're looking at here. You can kind of see that. I think that'll look kind of cute. So, and the thing is, I still have these 3 keikis here. I still have like, I think like 3 more of the Soft Cloud keikis. So they're a good thing to experiment with for new stuff I want to try, because if I lose it, I've got plenty of them, and plus I've got the mama plants as well still. So not too big of a deal. So let's see. Did we decide on this one at the top? Yes, we did. All right, so go ahead and we'll do that there. And then we'll put some sphagnum on here to be sure not to put it right at, but just kind of around the roots. And let me tuck those roots in there. All right, and get a little bit more, and then we will wrap it around. And I just want the roots, all the roots up underneath the sphagnum, just because they are used to being in media. Tuck some of the sphagnum in our little rigid there, just to kind of help hold her in. And move you over. All right, so let's do that. And come down, and we'll go over one of these little ridge hoops here, and go over again. Let's get some more, because I didn't cut this off yet, just in case. I didn't want to get too small of a piece and then have to start over like I did the last time. So I'll just hold on to that. And this is just the florist wire that I'm using. I know a lot of people use fishing line. I don't have the fishing line, and I kind of like the florist wire right now. I have it, so why not use it, right? Right. Alrighty. And then put that there. Maybe get it to stay. All right. And we'll wrap around that last time. And let me find a place to bring it around. All right. So we've got that one on there. Now, you know what? I'm going to bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie her off back here. So all I'm going to do is loop it through here, and then loop her again through this one. And there we go, maybe here. So let's put this big one, or bigger one, big girl here. Maybe we should do her upside down. I think that'll look kind of cool. Let's see. There we go. All right, and then we'll take some more of this moss and go it on top here. All right. So cute. There we go. And let's put some up. Before we do that, hold on. You know what I didn't do? Yes, I did not put it in the hole. On the top. So here I'll take and move all of these together first. And then that fits it where I want it. Awesome. All right, so now let's put our baby back in there. And let's tuck you in right there. All right. And we'll put a light layer of moss on this one. And then that will inadvertently cover the one, a couple of the roots that are still sticking out on the one at the bottom. Will help get that in, and it's just going to sit in that little crevice there, and then all of the moss is going to kind of intertwine itself and be connected somehow with, there we go. And I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not. It's just a really light layer that I'm putting, and then we're just going to use that little crevice there. Alrighty, let's see. That. And then we will just go across this way and then keep wrapping. Get some more wire here. There we go. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. Okay. And we just go across a few times just to make sure that it's all going to stay on there. And then let me flip it over. And we're going to cut it here so that we can tie everybody off together. Looping it back and forth on these guys here, just to kind of make it all nice and tight. There we go. And then we'll finish it off on this end here. Maybe so tiny I can barely reach. There we go. All right. And we'll just tuck you back there. I like it. Looks much better than my last one, actually, I think. So, all right, well, if you found this useful, go ahead and give this video a like and a thumbs up. And if you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Easter weekend, like I said, and we will see you guys on the next one.